on the loose end to tighten the belt. To release, lift the top portion of the buckle. Turbulence may occur without warning. We suggest you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times, even when the seatbelt sign is turned off. Please ensure that your seat back and tray table are in the full upright position, and or other passengers. Thank you for choosing to fly with Lynx Air as a part of your journey today. Please let the cabin crew know if you have any questions or safety concerns. We hope you enjoy your flight.
Lynx 122, constant wake turbulence, 777 ahead, wind 2203 knots, clear takeoff, runway 15 left.
Clear takeoff 15 left, Lynx 122.
Cruise 1798 tower, line up and wait, runway 15 left.
Line up and wait, 15 left. Yep. Tower, chart right 373, ILS 15 right.
Tower 373, strong tower, good evening, 737 just touching down, wind 2203 knots, clear to land, runway 15 right.
Close to right, land 15 right, chart right 373.
Tower 373, I've got some room behind you. If you go past Foxtrot 2, even about halfway down, just do the 180 there and get you back to Foxtrot 2.
Okay, check over, chart right 373.
Thank you. If you go any further down than halfway, we'll just take Foxtrot 1.
Understood, chart right 373.
Mexico 616, left turn there on Foxtrot 1, and then turn right on Foxtrot, contact ground 12165.
Foxtrot 1, Foxtrot, and 2165, correct.
Cruise 1798, wind 2203 knots, clear takeoff, runway 15 left.
Clear takeoff, 15 left.
Downless 122, contact departure 128 decimal 8.
288, Downless 122, good night.
Has left the seatbelt sign on. For your continued safety, please ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened and refrain from moving about the cabin and using the washroom at this time. If the seatbelt sign should be turned off during our flight, we recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened in case of unexpected turbulence. We would like to remind you that smoking is not permitted on our flight, which includes e-cigarettes and vape sticks. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying the smoke detector located in the lavatories is prohibited by law. As well as consumption of your own alcohol is not permitted.
Le commandant a laissé la consigne lumineuse des ceintures de sécurité allumées. Nous vous demandons donc, pour votre sécurité, de demeurer assis avec votre ceinture bien bouclée, de ne pas vous déplacer dans la cabine ou d'utiliser les toilettes en ce moment. Nous vous recommandons de garder votre ceinture attachée même si la consigne devait s'éteindre durant le vol. Nous vous rappelons aussi qu'il est strictement interdit de fumer à bord de nos appareils.